It's a new month, and Klahanie Chevron Service Center has a new video for you. Sit back for about 2 minutes. We'll be back to talk to you more in a moment.
Car repair shops often see the same repairs over and over again. A list given by Autos.com shows the 10 most common car problems. Here are the last 5 on that list. Number 10. We all agree that air conditioning is a must on hot days. For those in colder climates, this can be an annual issue when the days get warmer. Number 9. The exhaust system. Different problems arise with the exhaust system, with rust being numero uno. Number 8 is transmission repairs. Whether major or minor, your car is not going anywhere dependably without a working transmission. Number 7, the fuel system. Your fuel pump can become clogged if you drive regularly with less than a quarter of a tank. Fuel filters need to be replaced on a regular basis. And number 6 on the list, the electrical system. The electrical system problems include blown fuses and lamp bulbs, but can also include more serious issues. Simple repairs, such as brake light bulb replacement, can be done at home by even the least mechanically inclined person. Many of these problems can often be avoided if you have preventative maintenance done with us on a regular basis. With our next video, we'll take a look at the top 5 car problems we help you fix.
Welcome to Klahanie Chevron Service Center, where they're happy to service all your car and truck service and repair needs. They're open 7 days a week, 8 a.m. to 6 p.m., and they have a mechanic on duty Monday through Saturday. They've been here for a long time, and they're proud to be servicing the kids and sometimes the grandkids of those they serviced years ago. Come in or call and schedule an appointment today.